in the diagram, the car moved in 4 stages. Each stage has a different velocity. Which stage has the greatest acceleration? So if I have on y velocity and on x I have time, so that means the slope of the line here, the slope of the curve, it represents the acceleration because it is y, a change in y over a change in x. So change on y over the change of x, it represents the slope of the line, and it represents here y over x, which is velocity over time, it represents acceleration. So that means now I find the slope of each line. Here I have a line on 1 and on 2 and on 3 and on 4. I have 4 here, 4 lines or 4 segments. Each one now has a slope. The greater the slope has, the greater the line, the greater the slope a line has, it means greater velocity because the slope represents the, it's greater acceleration. So it represents, the slope here represents the acceleration. Just to give you one idea here. If a line is like this, and I have a line like this, and I have a line like this, and I have a line like this, which one is higher the slope? Which one has greater slope? So as you see, as long as I go up, so as you see, the slope of the line becomes greater. So this one has the greatest slope. So that means now from these 4 lines, which one has greater change on y compared to x? So here now, as you see, if you draw here, it's gonna be here the change is 10 and here was 10. So the change is 10 over 10, 1. The slope is 1. Here the slope is 0 and here the slope is 0. So that means only have 1 or 3. So the 3 now the slope is 10 over 10, which is 1. And here the slope, as you see, it represents here 20 over 10. So that means it is 2. So that means here the line has greater slope. So that means in stage 3, the acceleration is the greatest. So you go to choose 3 as the answer.